series of lessons on circuit theorem. So in this video we look at theorem 2. Now theorem 2, so this is what theorem 2 states. Says that the angle formed by the diameter on the circumference is 90 degrees. The angle formed by the circumference is 90 degrees or right angle. Or in other words, you can say that so this is the angle, this is the diameter. We are saying that diameter, this is diameter AB. Diameter AB is forming an angle of what? 90. So the angle formed by the diameter on the circumference is what? Is 90 degrees. Is 90 degrees. Okay, so or you can say that, but you know that this is a semicircle. So the diameter divides the circle into two parts. So this is a semicircle, that's half of a circle. So it means that this angle, angle 90 degrees angle on the circumference is formed by this arc, which is the semicircle. So you see the semicircle, and the semicircle also forms an angle of what? 180 degrees at the center of the circle. This arc or the semicircle, which is the arc AB, forms an angle of what? 180 degrees at the center, and then it is forming an angle of what? 90 degrees on the circumference. So we are saying that is angle what? ACB is equal to 90. Angle ACB is what? That's marked here. Is what? 90 degrees. So this theorem you can easily, as I was saying, this theorem is directly linked to theorem 1. So you can easily prove it from theorem 1. Because we are saying that from theorem 1, you know that an angle or the angle formed by an arc at the center of the circle is equal to 2 times the angle formed by the same arc on the circumference of the circle. So since this the angle formed this arc, which is the semicircle, is forming an angle of what? 180 degrees at the center. It means that the angle that will form by this same arc, that is the semicircle or the circumference, will be twice the angle formed at the center, which is 180. In other words, if you want the angle formed on the circumference, then half the angle formed by the same arc, that's the same arc, which is the semicircle at the center. So that's why we are saying that is angle AOB and angle ACB are formed by the same arc, which is the semicircle. Have you seen? So this angle AOB, this is the angle marked with the dotted line. So angle AOB and angle ACB, this angle is formed by the same arc AB, which is what? The semicircle. So since the semicircle, as I said, the semicircle forms an angle of what? An angle of 180 degrees at the center. Then we can say that angle AOB, which is 180, is equal to what? Equal to the angle that same semicircle or that same arc will form on the circumference. It's equal to 2 times, sorry, it's equal to 2 times the angle that same arc, which is the semicircle, will form on the circumference. So it means that angle AOB, which is 180, is equal to 2 times angle ACB, which is the angle formed by that same semicircle at the circumference. So if that is the case, then we have what? You can say that 2 times angle ACB, you have just turned it. 2 times angle what? ACB is equal to what? 180 degrees. So if you want angle ACB equal to what? 180 degrees divided by 2, which is equal to what? Is equal to 90 degrees. Have you seen? So this proves that the angle formed by the diameter on the circumference is what? Is 90 degrees. So I think this is very simple and understandable. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Get understanding. Don't memorize. You don't have to memorize, you have to understand. Because your wisdom is in your understanding. If you don't have understanding, you won't get any wisdom. If the question is given and you don't have any understanding, you will not get any wisdom to solve the question. So don't subscribe. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that when additional videos are uploaded, you'll be notified. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Hello, welcome back, students. In this video, we are looking at examples on theorem 2. We are looking at examples on what? On theorem 2. So, if you recall from theorem 2, Then we learned that Theorem 2, from Theorem 2, that the diameter always forms an angle of 90 degrees on the circumference. The diameter always forms an angle of 90 degrees on the circumference. So in this example, we are asked what? Find angle A, angle A hot, angle ABC. What is angle ABC? Angle ABC. This angle we have to find what? This angle. This is the angle we have to find. Have you seen? And then we are also asked to find angle ACB. So angle ACB. This angle. Fine. So how do we go about this? You know that this is have you seen this point? So this is done. Though we don't have additional information, but since there's a point here that tells you that this is the center, and the line going through the center is called the diameter. So if this is the diameter, then we know that the diameter forms an angle of what? 90 degrees on what? On the circumference. So it means that this angle is what? This angle is 90 degrees. So you can say that one angle, we have to find angle A, B, C. Angle what? You can say that angle A, B, C is equal to what? 90 degrees. Why? Since what? The diameter forms. So forms since the diameter forms an angle of what? 90 degrees hot on the circumference. So this is what you should be giving reasons like this when you are solving theory questions. On the circumference. Always when you are solving theory questions, you have to be giving reasons and be stating the theorems as you solve. Don't just be writing the answers, otherwise you will not get full marks. But objective, if you are solving objective, this one there's no need for you to be stating be giving reasons. You just have to know that this in the theorem, apply and then solve and get your answer in sheet and you go your way. So the next one is what we have to find out angle ACB. So we know this is 90. We are going to find angle what? ACB. So let's say that this angle ACB is what? We can say that let angle ACB equal to what? Equal to y. Let angle ACB equal to what? Equal to y. Angle ACB. Let angle ACB is equal to y. So we are letting this angle equal to y. So we know that from what? From triangle what? Triangle ABC. What do we know? That's one from the basic geometry. We know that if you sum all the angles in a triangle, we get what? We get 180 degrees. So from triangle ABC, it implies that what? Y plus what? 44 plus what? 90. Give us what? 180 degrees. Have you seen? Give us 180 degrees. What is 90 plus 44 is what? That's 134. Get 134. Have you seen? So 134. So what does it imply? It implies that y plus what? 134 is equal to what? 180 degrees. This implies that y is equal to 180 degrees minus what? 134. So what does it imply? So it implies that y is equal to what? So what is 180 minus 134? So if it were, let's say 180 minus, if it were, or it was 130, would have the answer would have been what? 50 degrees. So 50 minus 4, we got what? 46. So this y will be equal to what? 46 degrees. 46. I hope it is correct. So 180 minus 134. So this one is what? Now 6. It will be 10. Then we get 6, 7. Yes, 46. So 46 degrees. So it means that y is equal to 46 degrees. So we can say that what is y? Y is angle what? So we can say that hence angle what? Angle ACB is equal to 46 degrees. So this is number 2. So that is, so see, students, is very simple, not difficult at all. You know all these theorems and you will see and identify and apply them. Everything will be very easy for you. So we look at more examples. Don't worry, you just make sure you understand and subscribe to my channel. Whatever you don't understand, let me know in the comment section below so that I can address all your issues. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.